Hey there! Welcome back to English in Action, where we don't just learn English, we live it. Today's lesson might seem small, but it can change how you speak. Forever. Let me ask you this. Every time someone says, "How are you?" do you just reply, "I'm fine"? Yeah? You're not alone. But here's the truth. That answer is boring, overused, and honestly, it doesn't show your real personality. So today, we're going to upgrade your English with 20 natural ways to answer that question, just like native speakers do. They're simple, they're real, and you can use them today. You don't need to write anything down right now, unless you want to, but do this. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and if any phrase sounds useful to you, try to remember it. Or when the video ends, you can come back and practice again, or save it for later. Just stay with me and speak along. That's the key. You don't need perfect grammar, you don't need big words, you just need real phrases, the kind real people use every day. And that's exactly what we'll learn here. So let's stop saying, "I'm fine," and let's speak with style, like a pro. Ready? Let's go. Hey there. Let's start with some friendly and simple answers you can use when someone asks, "How are you?" These are great when you feel good and want to keep it casual. Let's go one by one. Number 1. I'm good. Use this when you feel okay or happy. It's friendly and natural. Number 2. I'm doing well. A bit more polite. Perfect for both friends and coworkers. Number 3. Pretty good. A bit more casual. Use this when things are going fine. Number 4. Not bad. This is a great answer when you feel okay but not amazing. Number 5. All good. This is relaxed and cool. You can use it with friends. Number 6. I'm okay. Not great, not bad. Good for when you feel just normal. Number 7. Great, thanks. Very positive. Use it when you're feeling really good. Try saying these out loud with me. Repeat each one and imagine you're answering someone. Let your mouth and brain get used to it. And remember, instead of just saying, "I'm fine," now you have 7 natural ways to sound more like a native speaker. All right, now let's say you're feeling great, maybe even amazing. You want to sound excited or motivated when someone asks you, "How are you?" So here's how you answer like a pro. 1. I'm doing fantastic. Very strong and full of energy. Use this when you're feeling amazing. 2. Couldn't be better. This means everything is going perfect. It's a fun and strong phrase. 3. I'm on top of the world. A beautiful phrase when you're super happy. Imagine a big smile here. 4. Never been better. Use this when life is going really well. It's very natural in English. 5. I'm feeling great today. You can change today to this week or right now. Very flexible. 6. I'm super excited. Use it when you have something fun coming, like a trip or a special day. 7. I'm in a really good mood. Perfect when you're cheerful and want others to feel your vibe. 8. Things are going really well. Nice and smooth. You can use it at work, school, or even in interviews. Quick tip. When you use these kinds of answers, your tone matters. Say it with energy, smile a little, and your English will sound even more natural. Let's try one together. Imagine your friend says, "Hey, how are you?" You answer, "I'm doing fantastic." Say it now. Yes, right now. Speak it out loud. That's the magic of practice. Want to remember these better? Just repeat them later or write them in your notes. You don't need a notebook. Your phone or your brain works fine. Sometimes you're not super happy, not sad either, just fine. In these situations, use relaxed, friendly answers. Not too formal, not too excited, just chill. 1. I'm good, thanks. A simple and polite reply. You can use this in almost any situation. 2. I'm all right. You're okay. Not amazing, not terrible. Very common in daily life. 3. I'm okay. Another easy and honest answer. Works well in casual conversations. 4. Not too bad. This means not great, but not bad. It sounds friendly and easygoing. 5. Can't complain. You're not perfect, but everything's fine. It sounds calm and positive. 6. I've been better, but I'm fine. You're saying things could be better, but you're okay. 7. Same old, same old. Everything is the same as usual. It's informal and often used with friends. 8. Just taking it easy. You're staying relaxed and not doing too much. A very casual phrase. Tone matters. If you say, I'm all right, happy, with a smile, it feels friendly. But if you say it with a sad voice, people might think something's wrong. Let's practice. Imagine someone asks, how are you? You say, not too bad, thanks. Now your turn, say it out loud. Tip for learning. Repeat these phrases in real situations or even just to yourself in the mirror. Start slow. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Sometimes you're not doing great. You're tired, stressed, or just not feeling good. And that's okay. Here are some natural ways to say that without sounding too negative. 1. I've been better. This means you're not feeling great, but you're staying polite. Example, hey, how are you? I've been better, but thanks for asking. 2. Not my best day. Use this when you're having a tough day, but you don't want to explain everything. 3. A bit tired, but I'm okay. Great for when you didn't sleep well or you're low on energy, but still fine. 4. It's been a rough week. You had some problems or stress this week. This is honest, but still respectful. 5. Hanging in there. This means you're surviving, not doing great, not doing terrible. Very common and friendly. 6. Feeling under the weather. This means you're a little sick, like a cold or headache. 7. Just dealing with some stuff. It means you have some problems or stress, but you don't want to say too much. 8. Could be better, but I'm managing. You're not 100%, but you're strong and going forward. Thoughtful. Why use these phrases? Because sometimes you don't feel fine, and you want to be real, but still respectful and kind. Let's practice. Imagine a friend says, how are you? You say, hanging in there, thanks. Say it out loud. Learning tip. Use these phrases in real life or in writing. They help you sound more human, more natural, and more confident in English. Awesome. Let's dive into part 5, friendly and funny responses. Perfect for casual conversations and making people smile. Part 5, friendly and funny answers. Sometimes you don't want to give a serious answer. You want to be friendly, relaxed, or even make someone laugh. Here are some fun and natural ways to respond to how are you. 1. Can't complain. This means everything's okay. Not perfect, but nothing bad. 2. Still breathing. A playful way to say, I'm alive. so that's good. 3. Better now that you're here. Flirty or super friendly. Great for someone you like or trust. 4. Living the dream. This is often used sarcastically when things are not perfect but you're joking. It can also be serious if you really feel happy. 5. Same old, same old. Nothing new, just the usual. A relaxed way to answer. 6. Just trying to survive Monday. Funny way to say, I don't like Mondays, but with humor. 7. Busy, but blessed. You're working hard, but feeling thankful. 8. Running on coffee and hope. Perfect if you're tired, but trying your best. Very popular online. 9. Too blessed to be stressed. You're choosing to be positive, even with a busy life. 10. Like a rock star, in my own mind. A playful way to say you're feeling good or just pretending. Why use funny or friendly phrases? They help you connect with others, sound relaxed, confident, and they show your personality. Try this. Next time someone asks, "How are you?" Try answering, "Better now that you're here." Say it with a smile and watch their reaction. Tip: use these with friends, coworkers, or classmates, but not in very serious or formal situations. Great job! You've just learned 30 powerful ways to answer "How are you?" like a native. But don't stop here. Repeat these phrases, practice them out loud, and use them in real life. The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel. And hey, if this video helped you, watch it again, take notes, and come back tomorrow for more. We're building something amazing here, a community of English learners just like you, and we'd love to have you with us. So keep going, keep growing. You're doing great, and we believe in you. See you next time.